Sarah. Steep diving. My path is set. Stop. As I do. It shall be done. My path is set. As I do. Steep diving. Sarah. Your thoughts. Your thoughts. Sarah. Steep diving. What man calls? Sarah, I long for combat. Sarah. Sarah. I heed thy call. I heed thy call. State thy bidding. Your thoughts. State thy bidding. Sarah. My path is set. State thy bidding. I heed thy call. You think as I do. My path is set. State thy bidding. I heed thy call. It shall be done. I heed thy call. You think as I do. My path is set. Not enough of your thoughts. Sarah. Stop. My path is set. It shall be done. Stop the warriors at the gate of the enemy. Stay it shall be done. Stay your thoughts. My path is set. It shall be done. My path is set.
Aldaris, Executor, how is it that you've come here? I was about to abandon all hope of rescue.
I have come to arrest you and bring you home to Ire to stand trial.
Arrest me? Ire burns at the touch of the Zerg. You travel all this way to arrest me?
Don't let it get to you, man. This happened to me once.
Who is this human, Tassadar?
The name's Jim Raynor, pal, and I won't be talked down to by anybody. Not even a Protoss.
Amusing. Tassadar, your taste in companions grows ever more inexplicable. Executor, prepare to take Tassadar into custody.
Executor, wait. I do not know what they have told you about me. But what I have done for Ire. Help me find Zeratul and his Dark Templar. They alone can defeat the Overmind Sererits. Once we have won, I shall gladly submit myself to the judgment of the Conclave.
Unthinkable. You presume that we would side with the Dark Ones as you have? You have gone quite mad, Tassadar.
You shall speak of them with respect, Eldaris. Executor, there is much that I can explain to you. If only you'll help me find Zeratul.
Surrounded.
Go ahead, Commander.
Yes, Executor?
Steed thy bidding.
This is Jimmy.
Your thoughts.
How may I help?
Steed thy bidding. Your thoughts.
Yes, Executor?
Rainer here.
You've not enough minerals.
Anytime you're ready.
Your thoughts.
Anytime you're ready.
How may I help?
The purging is complete.
Anytime you're ready. This is Jimmy. Rainer here. This should be good.
You've not enough minerals.
I have returned.
You've not enough minerals.
This is Jimmy.
How may I help?
You've not enough minerals. Upgrade complete.
Anytime you're ready. Sounds fun. Oh, yeah. This is Jimmy. Sounds fun.
I hear you.
Have returned.
This is Jimmy. This is Jimmy. Go ahead, Commander. This is Jimmy. Rainer here. This is Jimmy. Go ahead, Commander.
Have returned.
Go ahead, Commander.
Upgrade complete.
Protoss.
Anytime you're ready.
Yes, Executor?
Anytime you're ready. Rainer here. Go ahead, Commander. Oh, yeah.
I have returned.
How
I have returned.
Rainer here. Right on. Go ahead, Commander. Anytime you're ready. This is Jimmy. Sounds fun. Anytime you're ready. Rainer here. This is Jimmy. Go ahead, Commander. Rainer here. This should be good. Anytime you're ready.
We are under
This is
attack.
Jimmy. This is Jimmy. Anytime you're ready.
Your warriors have
Rainer
engaged
here.
the enemy.
Sounds fun. Oh yeah.
I have returned.
Right on.
I have returned.
Sounds fun. Anytime you're ready. Go ahead, Commander.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Rainer here.
Receiving.
Go ahead, Commander.
We are under
Right
attack.
on.
I have returned. I have returned.
You have not enough minerals.
Go ahead, Commander. Rainer here. This is Jimmy. Right on. This is Jimmy. Right on. Sounds fun. This is Jimmy. Right on.
Yes, Executor?
This is Jimmy. Anytime you're ready.
Yes, Executor?
Right on. Go ahead, Commander. Oh, yeah. Sounds fun. Yeah. Right on. This should be good. Right on. This should be good.
I hear you. Tarakala! Your will?
Warriors have engaged the
For
enemy.
Adun!
Anytime you're ready. This is Jimmy. Sounds fun. Right on.
You have my thanks, Executor. Now let us find Zeratul and speed our way home.
Executor, by following Tassadar and attempting to rescue the Dark Templar, you have openly defied the will of the Conclave. Abandon this mad scheme now, and the Conclave may show you mercy.
Don't let him control you, Executor. The Judicator have long since steered the actions of the Templar to their own ends. It's time we acted of our own accord.
Ah, Tassadar, have you fallen so far? To think that you were our brightest hope, our most beloved son. Now you are everything that we are not. You are lost to us. Not only have you damned yourself, but you have damned those who have followed you.
Such is the price for our race's salvation, Judicator. I have been here with the Dark Templar these last few months. While I helped them in their fight against the Zerg, I learned many of their secrets from the Prelate, Zeratul. Apparently, the energies which empower the Dark Templar also course through the Overmind and its cerebrates.
The same cerebrates which you told us to destroy. Your advice was useless, for the creature was reincarnated before our eyes.
Unfortunately, yes. Your attack on the Cerebrate failed because the energies that you wield are useless when used directly against the Overmind and its cerebrates. Only the Dark Templar's power can truly harm the Zerg. That is why we must rescue Zeratul and return him to Ire.
You were warned, Executor. The Conclave will not be pleased.
I hear you. It shall be done.
What thou calls instructions?
You have not enough minerals.
Galactus. Nagatsu. Mitora. Commencing. Galactus. Initiating. Longplay.
You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals. minerals.
Source confirmed. Ragazzo. Commencing. Initiated. Longplay. I am needed. Make use of me. Commencing. Ragazzo.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
I am needed. Awaiting instructions. Input command. Confirmed. Protoss.
You have not enough minerals.
Transmitted for vengeance.
You have not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
Confirmed.
You have not enough minerals.
Protoss.
You have not enough minerals.
Colossus.
Upgrade complete.
Teleport successful. Awaiting instructions. Awaiting command. Teleport successful. Contact. Teleport successful.
You have not enough minerals.
Contact. Shogun.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Awaiting contact. Commencing. Awaiting command. Contact. It will be done. Chaos. Teleport successful. It will be done. Teleport
You have
successful.
not enough minerals.
Shogun. I long for combat. Transmitting. Commencing. Shogun.
Upgrade complete. Not enough minerals.
Teleport successful. Standing by. Teleport successful. Shogun.
Upgrade complete. You've not enough minerals.
Awaiting command. It will be done. Chaos. Teleport successful. Kokora.
You've not enough minerals.
Contact. Awaiting command. Chaos. Contact. Locus acknowledged. Chaos. Teleport successful. Shogun.
You've not enough minerals.
Teleport successful. Awaiting command. Teleport successful.
You've not enough minerals.
Teleport successful. Standing by. Awaiting command. Teleport successful. Teleport successful. Standing by. Awaiting command.
You've not enough minerals. Have engaged the enemy.
Awaiting command. Contact. Protoss. Teleport successful. Awaiting command. Teleport successful. Protoss. Teleport successful. Teleport successful. Shogun.
Upgrade complete.
Teleport successful. Teleport successful. Teleport successful. Contact. Locus acknowledged. Standing by. Locus acknowledged. Standing by. The warriors have reached the enemy. Shogun. Contact. Standing by. Awaiting command. It will be done. Teleport successful. Standing by. Awaiting command. Contact. Locus acknowledged. Standing by. Locus acknowledged. Standing by. It will be done. Chaos. Kokora. Standing by. The warriors have engaged the enemy. Standing by. It will be done. Contact. Standing by. Shogun. Awaiting command. Locus acknowledged. Teleport successful. Shogun. Kokora. Awaiting command. Standing by. I need contact. It will be done. Receiving. Confirmed. Awaiting command. Locus acknowledged. Contact. Locus acknowledged.
You have not enough minerals. We are under attack.
Your will?
Downward successful.
You must construct additional pylons.
It will be done. Protoss.
Upgrade complete. You must construct additional pylons.
Galactus. Standing by. Contact. Shogun. Awaiting command. Shogun. Awaiting command. It will be done. Contact. Shogun. Focus and knowledge. Standing by. Contact. Standing by. Chaos. Standing by. Focus and knowledge.
Protoss Commander, this is General Edmund Duke of the Terran Dominion Armada. You are in violation of our airspace and have endangered human lives in your reckless attack against the Zerg. I order you to withdraw your ships immediately. If you fail to comply, I will not hesitate to open fire upon your vessels.
General Duke, I am Tassadar, and you are well known to me. Whatever leniency I extended to you and your comrades before may have been in error. If you persist in halting our course, we will burn your pathetic fleet down to the last man.
I'm gonna have to assume that was a hostile response.
Warriors have engaged the enemy.
Focus and knowledge. It will be done. Chaos.
We are under attack.
Standing by. Focus and knowledge. Shogun. Contact. Standing by. Contact.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Awaiting command.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy. Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Chaos. Standing by. Awaiting command.
Your warriors have engaged the enemy.
Awaiting command. Joker. Standing by. Awaiting command. Awaiting command.
You have not enough minerals.
Joker. Chaos. Awaiting command. It will be done. Chaos. Chaos.
Your warriors are engaged the enemy.
Chaos.
Your will? Yes, Executor?
Contact. Standing by.
Hey, Sergeant! Sarge! Hey!
You will immediately tell me why you have called me from my desk, Private.
Protoss unit, Sarge! Coming through the South Pass! It looks broke!
Kill it! Fire!
Executor, I sense that Zeratul and his brethren are close by, but I have been unable to make contact with them. I fear they may be in grave danger. We must scour this area immediately and find the Dark Templar, lest they be overcome by the Zerg.